In this video I am going to tell you how to take data from our child activity to our main activity. So our final project looks something like this. Here it is our parent activity or main activity, and when you click go to child, you will simply go to our child activity, and here I take data on my parent activity. So here India is sent from our child activity to our main activity. So let's start the project. So here I create my parent activity or main activity, and for our child activity I need to create one more activity. So I simply created empty activity, and its name is second activity. Now first I design my activity main, and I use only a text view and a button. So text view, you simply copy and copy this code to your project. So id is get text, and it text size is 30 sp so that we can see very easily, and I make it in center and parent, which is true. That's all. A button wrap content, and text is go to child, and make this button below our text view. So I use layout below, and our text id is get text, so and make it center horizontal is true. That's all for our main activity. Go to our activity, second activity, and here first of all make this a relative layout. Here I need a edit text and a button. So first I need edit text. Sorry. And text here, and make center in parent row, and margin of 20 dp. id is take data edit text, so that we can find very easily. Now reformat it. Now I need a button here. So button wrap content, its text is send to parent, and make it below take data edit text, which is center in horizontal, and its id is send to parent. And that's all for our design. Go to our main activity, and here go to your design file, and I forgot to give my button id, so give id to it. Go to child, actually go to main activity, and here go to child, set on click listener, and here I use intent to jump from this activity to our child activity. This and second activity class dot java, and here start activity for result. Intent is our intent, and request code is 0. So now go to our second activity. Go to our second activity, and here first reformatted, and here our button ID is send to parent. So on click of this button, I need to send this data which is present in our edit text to our. So when our send to parent is clicked, send to parent is clicked, I need to take variable intent and load data on it, put extra, and our data name is data which is come from edit text. So take data edit text which is our edit text ID and get text from it, convert it to string and simply set result, and our result code is 0 and our intent is intent. Simply finish this activity. Go to your main activity, and here you need to override the method called on activity result, this one, and check if request code is 0. Then we take data from our intent which is passed here in the name of data. Now our text view ID is get text dot set text on it which we'll get from our data. So get string extra, and here our key is data. So that's all. Simply run this program. Here you can see our child main activity or parent activity. Here just click go to child, you are in child, and here I pass India. Now send to parent, and here you got the data India from your child activity. So that's all for this video, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.